Today, we're going to be showing you how to create a chain stitch. To begin, we'll be making a slip knot. We're going to do so by grabbing the yarn, pinching it between our thumb and our finger, and then we'll take the other end of the yarn and create an X, just like you can see here. Once your X is ready, we can go ahead and grab our hook. We're going to put it underneath the first strand and grab the second, and then we're going to twist that towards us. We can then let go of all the strands, pull it all together, and now we have to just tighten it to create our slip knot. Now, to make a chain, we simply need to pull a piece of yarn over our hook, and then use the hook to pull that strand through the slip knot, and now we have our first chain. We then repeat that process as many times as needed, and you'll see a chain begin to form. And that is how you make a chain stitch.